Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to enable RCS messaging on Android. So if at the end of this you found this open informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. First thing you want to do is go ahead and select the Google Messaging app as your default messaging app on your Android phone. So if you are using Google Messaging, then you are one step ahead. If you are using Samsung Messaging or your Android phone messaging app, make sure you set the default messaging app to Google Messaging app. Then open it. Click on the profile picture at the top right. Click on Message Settings. Click on General. Click on RCS Chat. Then you should say RCS Chat. To use RCS Chat, just go ahead and turn on RCS Chat here. And then you should see your number trying to verify. And after that, on the RCS Chat page, you can just come here, customize read receipt, show typing indicator, and then automatically resend as test if RCS Chat is not available, and then you are good. So that's exactly how to enable RCS Chat on Android. If you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.